Hello again, it's Noob, and today I want to go through my top lock picking hacks. So, without further ado, the metal from drinks cans is excellent material for using in shimming open padlocks. Wiper blade inserts have a huge range of uses for lock pickers. They are usually made of a highly durable stainless steel. They come in different thicknesses depending on whether they come from a truck or a van or a car, and that means you can do a number of different awesome things with them. So once you remove these from the wiper blade, you can turn them into things like tension tools. You can see 3 here made from wiper blades of different thicknesses, and you can take thicker wiper blade and even make lockpicks from that material. 1/4 inch mono to mono connectors like this can make excellent handles. If you drill through on both sides, thread it, add a grub screw and insert your dimple picks, you can create a really nice double-sided dimple pick handle. Feeler gauge stock is incredibly useful for lock pickers and lock sporters. It usually comes in 2 different formats, either as a long strip or as different fingers, and these come in a wide variety of thicknesses. The fingers can be used to make things like top of the keyway tension tools, ones in many different thicknesses, and the strips can be used to make all sorts of things, including lock picks themselves. Giant cable ties, ones which are about 13mm across, are made of really strong nylon, have a really grippy interior, and once chopped down and shaped, they can be glued to the handle of a lockpick to make a really nice handle indeed. Marine grade shrink tubing. Now this comes in all sorts of diameters and shrinks when heated. The marine grade shrink tubing has a layer of adhesive on the inside. It can be used in a number of different ways to cover up bare handles on lockpicks and other tools. Stainless steel cable ties are very thin and can be used to completely bypass the locking mechanism in some of these combination locks. Selfie sticks make an excellent source of concentric tubing. If this is cut to lengths, filed down and pushed back together, they make some really excellent plug followers. If you want to disassemble a lock but don't have any followers to use, or you don't have them nearby, cylindrical but not tapered marker pens are often an excellent source of an alternative follower once you take the caps off. For disassembling smaller padlock cores, a AAA size battery, if handled with care of course, can make an excellent alternative to a standard follower. With locks with a very deep groove at the end of the plug to receive a circlip, you may want to use a shim to stop the driver pins from accidentally trapping themselves in that groove. If you don't have any shims, then the small pieces of metal on the inside of these security tanks can be removed and used for that purpose. If you don't have a pinning tray to hand to empty your lock's pins into, then don't worry. One good hack is just use a thin piece of card, fold it into some corrugations, and then use those corrugations to keep all your lock internals in a neat and tidy place. Another useful pinning tray hack is just a piece of corrugated cardboard. Once the upper layer is removed, this can then be used as a very useful pinning tray. Last but not least is bra underwiring. This is usually some incredibly strong, high quality stainless steel, and with a bit of care and attention can be made into some really superb lock picks and tension tools. So there you go. Those are my favourite lock picking hacks. I really like all of these things. I do use them all the time. No doubt I have missed off some really fantastic hacks. And you know what? The only way that I can learn is by you commenting below and letting me know of all the ones which I've missed. What are your favourite hacks that you've seen in this video today? What are your favourite hacks that you haven't seen in this video today? Comment below. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you all next time.